The pyramids of the world, from Egypt to Mesoamerica, have fascinated historians, archaeologists, and conspiracy theorists alike. Their monumental structures and the mysteries surrounding their purpose have led to various theories about their connections and historical significance. One prominent theory suggests that the pyramids served as astronomical observatories. Researchers argue that many pyramids are aligned with celestial bodies, indicating that ancient civilizations had advanced knowledge of astronomy. For instance, the Great Pyramid of Giza is aligned with incredible precision to the cardinal points. This alignment may have been used to track the movements of stars and planets, aiding in agricultural planning and religious ceremonies. Another theory posits that the pyramids were built as tombs for powerful leaders and deities. The Egyptians believed in an afterlife, and the pyramids were designed to ensure a safe passage for the deceased into the next world. The elaborate burial chambers, filled with treasures and artifacts, reflect the importance of the afterlife in ancient Egyptian culture. However, this theory is challenged by the discovery of pyramids in other cultures, such as the Mayans and Aztecs, which served different purposes. Some researchers propose that the pyramids were part of a global network of ancient civilizations. This theory suggests that knowledge and techniques for pyramid construction were shared across continents. The similarities in pyramid design and construction methods found in Egypt, Central America, and even Asia raise intriguing questions about cultural exchange. Some theorists argue that ancient civilizations may have been more interconnected than previously thought, possibly through trade or migration. Conspiracy theories add another layer of intrigue to the discussion of pyramids. Some claim that extraterrestrial beings assisted in the construction of these monumental structures. Proponents of this theory point to the precision of the pyramids and the immense resources required for their construction as evidence of advanced technology beyond human capabilities. They argue that the alignment of pyramids with constellations could be a form of communication with alien civilizations. Another conspiracy theory suggests that the pyramids were built as energy sources. Some theorists believe that the pyramids harnessed natural energy from the earth, acting as power plants for ancient civilizations. This idea is often linked to the concept of ley lines, which are believed to be invisible lines of energy that connect significant sites around the world. According to this theory, pyramids were strategically placed along these ley lines to amplify and distribute energy. The historical significance of the pyramids cannot be overlooked. They have served as symbols of power, engineering prowess, and cultural identity. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years, showcasing the architectural skills of ancient Egyptians. Similarly, the pyramids of Teotihuacan in Mexico reflect the city's importance as a cultural and economic center in ancient Mesoamerica. In addition to their architectural and cultural significance, pyramids have also become symbols of mystery and intrigue in popular culture. Movies, books, and documentaries often explore the enigmatic nature of these structures, fueling public fascination. This fascination has led to a resurgence of interest in archaeology and ancient history, prompting new discoveries and theories about the pyramids. Modern archaeological techniques, such as ground-penetrating radar and 3D scanning, have provided new insights into the construction and purpose of pyramids. These technologies have revealed hidden chambers and passageways, challenging long-held beliefs about how these structures were built and used. As research continues, the understanding of pyramids evolves, shedding light on the complexities of ancient civilizations. In conclusion, the pyramids around the world are linked through a tapestry of historical significance, architectural marvel, and cultural intrigue. Theories about their purpose range from astronomical observatories to tombs, while conspiracy theories suggest extraterrestrial involvement and energy harnessing. As new discoveries emerge, the mysteries of the pyramids continue to captivate the imagination, inviting further exploration into the ancient world and its enduring legacy. The quest to understand these monumental structures reflects humanity's desire to uncover the past and connect with the civilizations that shaped history.